Local languages as well as cultures are facing critical days today all over the world, owing to the impact of globalization. Tulu language and cultures are no exception to this development. Tulu Nadu, which covers Dakshina Kannada and parts of Udupi and Kasaragod district to the Chandragiri river down south in Kerala state, has largely been exposed to the Western culture now. Hence, there is a serious threat for the Tulu culture also. With these clouds of pessimism in the backdrop, here is a man who has dedicated his life for the preserving and developing of Tulu culture. Tukaram Pujari, history lecturer at SVS College, Bantwal, is a unique personality who has committed himself to serving the Tulu culture as well as literature.
Basically, I am a history student, so I felt the need of collecting all these materials to pass on the idea or background of our Tuluva culture to the next generation.
To establish a link between the future generation and old traditions of this part of the earth, he is engaged in collecting the valuable articles and artifacts which represent the rich culture and tradition of Tulu Nadu.
We have to give the clear picture of our tradition, history, folklore, etc. To our next generation. So without all these materials, we just can't pass on our culture effectively to our next generation. So actually their next generation must have the clear idea about the articles or the objects which were used by our ancestors. Completely different from any other culture or any other part of our India as well as the world. But unfortunately that very Tuluva culture, our rich tradition is vanishing very rapidly.
For this purpose, he has converted his own house into a museum.
Full-fledged museum should be it must come up, and we have to preserve all these objects, all these materials, and we have to maintain all these materials in a scientific way, scientific manner. Each and every object of our culture tells us the culture of our ancestors, yes, or the Tuluvas. Museum is coming up under the name of that Rani Abbakka. It actually shows the first freedom fighter of Tulu Nadu.
Equal number of articles have been preserved at SVS College by him.
Government or voluntary organizations and all not giving much importance to these regional museums. Not only the regional museums, but museums in general. It's actually most neglected area. But as per my observation or my knowledge and my opinion, we must give more importance to the museums. That should be used, or that should be a education center.
According to Pujari, if the rich path-breaking tradition of Tulu Nadu is not identified and preserved at this transitional phase, the glorious past of Tuluvas will be lost in the sands of time. Therefore, a serious and all the more selfless effort has been made to preserve it and create awareness about it among the people, particularly the younger sections of the generation. With cameraman Austin Pinto, this is Amanda Sequeira for TV Digi World in Bantwal.